Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register for Charles Schwab. The first step is choosing the right account type for your financial goals. Charles Schwab provides many options, such as individual or joint brokerage accounts and various retirement accounts like Roth or traditional IRAs. They also offer specialized accounts, including custodial accounts for minors or trust accounts. For automated investing, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios require a minimum of $5,000. Next, gather all the necessary personal information and documents. You will need your Social Security number or tax ID number for tax reporting. A valid government-issued identification, such as a driver's license or passport, is essential. Additionally, be prepared to provide proof of residency, like a recent utility bill. If applicable, your employer's name and mailing address will also be requested during the online application process. Now, proceed to fill out the online application form with your personal and employment details. You will create a unique login ID, a strong password, and select security questions for your account's protection. Once the application is complete, you can fund your account. Options include linking an external bank account for online transfers, initiating a wire transfer, or mailing a check. Linking a bank account usually involves a quick verification step. Finally, carefully review all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy before submitting your application. You will need to agree to the electronic service agreement and accept the account's terms and conditions. Charles Schwab typically verifies applications within 1 business day. After successful verification, your new account will be active and ready for you to begin investing. Congratulations on opening your Charles Schwab account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.